Hey everyone, welcome back to India Moon channel. Today we have an excited tutorial for you. We will show how to add live cryptocurrency price in your website. This feature is an excellent way to keep your visitor updates on latest crypto trends right from your site. So let's dive right now. And you will create an API instead. We will fetch data from a website, which this website, and I will provide in your YouTube description. To get started, let's display live cryptocurrency price. Here you see cryptocurrency and beside below the cryptocurrency coins HTML, there will be a get wicket button. There will be get wicket button, and when we click on it, the source code will be displayed here. The source code will be displayed, and you can see we will keep the full size and darkening colors. Here you see color is dark, and we need to apply this, and successful. Here if you are using an HTML page, then you can copy the HTML code. If you are using React code, then you will need to copy React code. So we use HTML code, so then we need to copy this code or inside the body tag. We need copy, and here we refresh a clear, and we need to before we begin, make you sure that you have a basic understanding of HTML, CSS and JavaScript, and if you have these are building blocks where we use for this project, and we need to change title. Then title is live cryptocurrency price, live crypto YP crypto price, and save it. We need to paste this code inside the body tag. We need to paste this code inside the body tag and save it. We need go live. Here you see the default height is quite small, so we'll adjust it to here you see we adjust it 650. Save it, and now and it's responsive as well. See, it's responsive. Yes, and you have now being display. You have the flexibility to manage its height, width, and its responsive as well. You will find the source code in the YouTube description. And then if you enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a thumb and subscribe to India Moon channel for more awesome tutorial like this. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to ask in the comment section below. So thank you very much. Have a nice day. Radhe Radhe.